Imagine a course that can cut down your PMP preparation time from weeks to just 16 hours. Yes, you heard me right. This is PMP Dash, the PMP Examination Readiness course, the 16-hour wonder. This PMP Dash, please understand, is not a 35 contact hours training. This is going to assume that you've already got the 35 contact hours training. You've already applied for the exams and that now you're struggling to find time to study. Well, PMP Dash comes in handy just there. All right, so what is PMP Dash? PMP Dash is PMP Exams Readiness course. It is going to make you ace PMP exam in just 16 hours of preparation. The most important definitions, concepts that regularly show up on PMP exams, the most important ITTOs on which the scenario questions are based, most important tips and tricks which are really relevant for your PMP exams, and it is also going to contain 200 PMP guided questions. All of this would be discussed in just 16 hours of PMP Dash, by the end of which you will not only be ready for PMP exams, you will ace it. There are so many people who have already cleared it and they are going gaga about PMP Dash. Not only that, PMP Dash will also give you access to Ninja Notes audios and exam simulator. I need you to practice just for a couple of days and listen to those wonderful PM Ninja audios and give the exams. The best time for you to attend PMP Dash is just days before your PMP exams. We have a huge schedule, at least 5 to 6 sessions in November as well as December. I'm going to make sure that more and more people pass PMP exams. They should not have any stress, any kind of a doubt about PMP. Join this session. Just go on to my site, which is pm-pulse.com/workshops.aspx, and go through the entire schedule for PMP Dash. I really look forward to seeing you at PMP Dash in one of the sessions. This is your best bet for acing PMP exams before December end 2020. See you there.